Hey everyone, Random Randy here. This is just going to be a short little video because I recorded a vlog last week and was in such a horrible mental space that I pretty much cried my way through the whole thing. So rather than subjecting all of you to that, because we are in the depths of the winter blues right now and the sun hasn't really shone here for a good 3 weeks. Kind of rough. But anyway, I'm just going to post this short little video here to let you all know that I'm having a giveaway, and I'm going to put it in the title, hopefully to draw in more people that are interested in this sort of thing, and to share it around with people because, you know, some of us are trying to make a little bit of money at this, and no, you're not going to get rich, but 10, 20 extra bucks a month is 10, 20 extra dollars a month when you barely have 2 pennies to rub together. So on that note, the stuff that I do have some branded things, which is new for me to actually have on hand. You can also purchase these things through my Etsy shop, or if you go on Redbubble, there are always links down below to my shops over on Redbubble and Society6. You can get this design on pretty much anything you want. But these items are specifically for this giveaway. This is a weight crochet slate coaster. It does have cork backing, and it seems like it's pretty sturdy and waterproof. I mean, for being something that's printed. Pretty cool. I also have a zippered pouch with the same logo that is pretty heavy duty canvas, and it is printed on both sides. And the big thing, which to me is kind of more of a big deal than the two things I've already shown you, are 2 skeins of this hand-dyed sock yarn that I dyed quite a while ago, and apparently nobody wanted it in my shop. This particular colorway is called Glycerin, and it is on a Stellina sock base that is 70% merino wool. I've got it written down here. 70% superwash merino, 20% nylon, 5% stellina. It is a 100 gram hank and 462 yards. There are 2 of them. They are the only 2 like them ever in existence. So, these are also part of it. And anybody worldwide is eligible as long as you can receive mail from the US. It is going to get shipped priority because I can fit it in a teeny tiny flat rape envelope. And in order to win it, all you have to do is comment down below and tell me what your favorite thing to do is when it is warm and sunny outside, because goodness knows I'm about done with this winter nonsense. Now in Washington, winter mostly just means that it's rainy and it's dark for months and months and months and months and months, and I'm over it. I'm really over it. Anyway, so comment that down below, share this around if you want to, let other people know that it's going on. I'm really hoping to hit 5K soon. I was hoping to hit 5K before the end of 2019, but taking a 2-month hiatus to move and try to get all of my fecal matter into the same carrying receptacle kind of squashed that, but we'll get there. So thank you so much everybody for watching. Thank you to all my patrons over at patreon.com/randomrandy. Patterns are coming soon. All kinds of things are coming soon. I do have an entire week off coming up soon. And Lord knows I need a break from school too. So thanks so much everybody for watching. I hope you're all doing well. Take care of yourselves and each other. And remember, hang in there. It can only get better from here. Bye guys.